Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll unravel the secrets of transforming cross-tabulated data into a streamlined, flat table. In this session, we'll focus on a powerful approach utilizing VBA macros to effortlessly transpose your data. Join us as we explore the step-by-step process of converting complex cross-tab structures into a more manageable and structured format. Let's dive into the detail. Let's see how to wield the transformative capabilities of VBA macros to seamlessly transpose a cross-tabulated table into a structured, flat format. Cross-table is a two-dimensional table with a horizontal header row and a vertical header row. Assuming that you have a list of data in range A1, C5, and you want to convert this cross-table or two-dimensional table to a list or flat table. How to do it? You can use VBA macro to achieve the result quickly. Just do the following steps. Open your Excel workbook and then click on Visual Basic command under Developer tab, or just press Alt plus F11 shortcut. Then the Visual Basic Editor window will appear. Click Insert greater than Module to create a new module. Paste the below VBA code into the code window. Then clicking Save button. Back to the current worksheet, then run the above Excel macro. Click Run button. Let's see the last result. If this VBA macro for transposing crosstab data into a flat table resonated with your data manipulation needs, don't forget to subscribe for more transformative Excel tutorials. Explore further possibilities in converting complex crosstab structures into streamlined flat tables, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.